struggling with shaky videos and blurred shots. Introducing the 3-axis Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphones by FunSnap Capture 2 Seconds Combo, your perfect partner for capturing smooth, professional quality videos. Superior stabilization, whether you're vlogging, traveling, or filming food photography, this handheld gimbal stabilizer ensures flawless stability. Its 3-axis design eliminates shakes and jitters, delivering smooth and steady footage every time. Versatile shooting modes capture stunning vertical shots with ease. The gimbal offers 2 vertical shooting modes, allowing you to switch between auto and manual settings to suit your creative needs. Precision control. The built-in focus wheel provides precise control over your shots. Adjust focus seamlessly while recording, ensuring every detail is captured perfectly. Wireless convenience. Enjoy the freedom of wireless operation. This gimbal stabilizer connects to your smartphone without the hassle of cords, giving you unrestricted movement for your filming adventures. Perfect for any occasion, whether you're documenting your travels, creating engaging vlogs, or capturing mouth-watering food photography.